Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is to inform you about the SPJIMR MBA placements for 2025. So they have come up with placement reports. So just to give you an idea about it. So the average package is 32 LPA, which is like commendable considering the market scenario. I mean, getting an average package of 32 lakhs per annum is really good. I mean, the highest international package is 89, the domestic I believe is 81 lakhs per annum. Okay, so they've had 5 offers which is more than 40 lakhs per annum and 90% which is more than 25 lakhs per annum. So they had pre-placement offers for 48% of the batch, which is again amazingly good. That means almost half of their batch had pre-placement offers. Pre-placement offers are basically what happens is when you go for summer placements after your first year, the companies feel that okay, you have done well and we can offer you a PPO. A lot of top companies do offer pre-placement offers. So in basically that helps and considering that almost half the batch has got pre-placement offers, it is amazing. Okay. So if you look at overall, the placements have been really good. I mean, considering most of the colleges nowadays, consulting is a major place where people get placed. So consulting again is a major thing for marketing people. FMCG companies are a cream in terms of placement and general management. Yes, so considering the overall factor, placements have been really good. And if you look at consulting roles, are 40% of the batch, which is normal for top colleges. Most of the top colleges nowadays have major part of their placements in consulting. So this gives you a fair idea as to what the placement figures are for SPJIMR. So yes, you can take a call in terms of what you want, what you target, and what you know. Okay. Hope this helps. We'll come up with more information regarding colleges to help you take decisions. Thank you.